bedroom and suite located in Lagos, Nigeria. Come, let's see what this house has to offer. Let's go. So coming inside from the gates, we have this beautiful, spacious space. Two cars can comfortably fit into this space. You can have one here, you can have one on the other side. Inside the house. So from the entrance, there is this door here. It has a thread of wooden here, and we have the steel here. Welcome to the living room. This is the living room with a whole lot of window. That way you have enough of the natural light. We have this window here. We have this black window. Okay, there is a socket here. This way you can have your TV area here. TV area can be prepared, and you have your living room. And let's check out the guest bathroom. So this is the guest bathroom, just the normal basic stuff. We have the window, normal window for the bathroom. And there's something going on here in between the tiles. Come, let me show you guys that. There's a stew going on in between these tiles. So there is a lot of lights going on. The light is inside the kitchen. There is enough sockets for you guys. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a nice socket. So let's go check out the other place we have in this video. Coming over here, there is this first room that is downstairs. This house is 4 bedrooms. We have the first room here with the white door and the steel handle. I love this handle so much. So you can see there is a steel handle here, and there is a wall socket. So this is how the room looks like. Construction is still going on in this place. That is why this place is feels so empty and dusty. So we have the wardrobe, see, a whole lot of space. We have the wardrobe here. We have the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is the first bedroom. It has enough space here. And we have the wardrobe. We have the sockets, and we have this big window for natural lighting and enough air to enter. So let's check out the kitchen. This place is the dining area. It is quite spacious for you and family, and it has a lot of sockets. Guys, do you prefer you should have like something like a washing handpiece in the dining area? Let me know in the comment section, because I see that a lot of people have that in the house. And I prefer that too, actually, because if you have done eating, you can actually wash your hand. But this one is definitely that here. So we have this space here and this window that is enough for this precious space. And it has enough of natural lighting coming into this house as well. By the left hand side, we have the kitchen. So let's go into the kitchen. This kitchen comes with a 4-phase burner, and they are still going to do the smoke extractor. It has an Highlander that comes with the house. It has enough cabinets. There is a lot of space. It has enough cabinets here. You can see that. So this is the spot for the smoke extractor. I love the marble effect of this of this thing going on. It's not like the one that we used before. This one is modern. And we have the two-phase washing base. We have something like this as well. And the big size window. This window is actually bigger than the one at the dining area because of the lighting that we did in this spot. And we have this door that leads to the outside. Let's check out this space first before we move. We have this space that leads to this place. It leads to this spot. We have this spot here that you can use for whatever you want, and it's so spacious as well. This space leads to the kitchen area too. If you have someone that is cooking for you and you don't want the person to come inside before they get to the kitchen, they can actually pass this door. So it's quite easy. So let's go. Let's close it. So this is the pantry. See, you don't need to be worried that you are still going to like do something like pantry for yourself. This thing is already there. You don't need to be worried. Or you want to change something in the house, you can change it, but this place is serving the purpose. So let's move it to the up. Let's move up. So let's go up, guys. This is the step. This is two. And this thing, so this is the handle. This is the step handle. And this one is written 100% original stainless. So let's go upstairs. I love the fact that there is enough space here. You can do something here too. Maybe you can just add like brass. And there's a window that is making a reflection into the house as well. Guys, can you see how spacious this space is? There is enough of space. This is the family lounge. This is the family lounge, and see how cool this is. It has enough of wall sockets, enough of AC spots here, and this we have the windows as well. Guys, Lagos is hot right now. It's not even only Lagos. Nigeria is hot, so we need enough of windows to our house, and this house has a window. We have enough of ventilation coming into the house. This is the second room. Welcome. All this house has a white door and the stainless steel handle, a beautiful structure place. And this is over here. There is this second room that comes with two windows. There's two windows here. Enough natural lighting. Can you see how bright this place is? Can you see that? This is big. We have the bathroom. This is the bathroom. We have different kind of shower heads, and there's this soap spot. Here we have this spot that you can just keep your soap or your shampoo, everything here. We have the zinc, we have the WC, and hang anything you want here. The towel, sir. You can hang the towel, and we have the big windows, and we have this water heater. There's a socket here. So let's go into the third room. So this is the third room. This is the wardrobe, white wardrobe as usual. There's two big windows here. And we have the bathroom. We have the washing hand base. We have the WC. I like the fact that they include something here that the water can just flow freely. Some houses doesn't have this, and it doesn't make any sense to me actually, but you have to have this in your house because of water. So So let's go on to the master bedroom. I've been looking for this because this place is one of mine. Welcome to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. This place is massive. Like this place is so massive. We have enough of space. You can choose to play around with your headboard here. You can put this headboard anywhere you want in the house, and it has a door for the natural lighting. It has windows. It has this walk-in closet. Guys, this is so beautiful. I wish this house is mine. So this one, it has this big wardrobe. So you have more space to yourself. It has a so you have this big thing here. Can you see space? It has a lot of storage. Like you can put your clothes and that's it. This space is what actually makes me so happy because it has enough of space that you can think of. You can put your headboard here, your leggings here, there. Anyone, just choose your decor and you are good to go. Let's check out the bathroom of this. Can you believe what is inside it? It's jacuzzi. Jacuzzi is in this place. There is a jacuzzi going on here. There is a shower option. If you don't want to use this one, you can actually use this one. And I love how they incorporate this. And I love the beautiful shower here and the design. Oh my goodness. The person that wants to buy this house will be enjoying it. And we have the shampoo, soap, anything storage as well going on here. Hand base and water heater. We have the space that leads to the safe with this steel and glass. It is very strong, and we have this space here that will take your water downstairs. In case you're wondering the price of this house is going for 130 million naira, and you can get it. It is so affordable. I trust you guys that you can buy this house. Okay, so let's go downstairs. This place has a security house. So this is a semi-detached house. It has semi-detached, and this one is a fully detached house, the one we just get the video.